Mensuration. Mensuration is the branch of mathematics that studies the measurement of geometric figures and their parameters like length, volume, shape, surface area, lateral surface area, etc. Uses of mensuration in daily life. Amount of paint required to cover a certain surface area, amount of carpet required for a particular room, fencing needed for the perimeter of a garden, the distance around a circular racetrack, travel and road map reading, amount of fuel needed for a given journey, finding capacities of containers, tanks, etc. Concepts of mensuration: area, volume, parameter. Area. Area is the quantity that expresses the extent of a two-dimensional region, shape or planar lamina in the plane. Surface area is its analog owner, the two-dimensional surface of a three-dimensional object. Area of rectangle is equals to 1 upon 2 into base into height. Area of square is equals to base into height, means side into side. Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equals to length into width. Area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is equals to breadth into height. Area of circle. Area of circle is equals to pi r square. Perimeter. Perimeter of a shape is defined as the total distance around the shape. Basically, it's the length of any shape if it's expanded in a linear form. The perimeter of different shapes can match in length with each other depending upon their dimensions. Perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle is equals to sum of all the sides. Perimeter of square. Perimeter of square is equals to side into 4. Perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter of parallelogram. Perimeter of parallelogram is equals to sum of all the sides. Perimeter of circle. Circumference is also known as the perimeter of a circle. So, circumference of circle is equals to 2 pi r. Volume. Volume can be defined as a three-dimensional space enclosed by a boundary or occupied by an object. Here, the blocks and books take up space. The volume of an object is measured in cubic units such as cubic centimeters, cubic inch, cubic foot, cubic meter, etc. Volume of pyramid. The volume of pyramid is equals to 1 upon 3 into length into width into height. Volume of a cube. Volume of a cube is equals to S into S into S, means side cube. Volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid is equals to L into width into height. Volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is equals to pi r square into height. Question number 1. Find the area of first the shaded part, second the unshaded part of the following regions. Solution. The area of shaded portion parallel to the length is equals to 48 into 4 meter square is equals to 192 meter square. The area of shaded portion parallel to breadth is equals to 2 into 28 into 3 meter square is equals to 2 into 84 meter square is equals to 168 meter square. Area of dark portion is equals to 2 into 4 into 3 meter square is equals to 24 meter square. The area of shaded portion is equals to 192 meter square plus 168 meter square minus 24 meter square. The total is equals to 336 meter square. We have subtracted the area of the dark shaded portion because it has occurred twice. Firstly, when considering area parallel to length, and secondly, when considering area parallel to breadth. Second, area of rectangle ABCD is equals to 48 into 28 meter square. Total is equals to 1344 meter square. The area of unshaded part is equals to area of rectangle ABCD minus area of shaded part. This is equals to 1344 meter square minus 336 meter square. The result comes out 1008 meter square. Question number 2. A square and a rectangle have the same perimeter. Calculate the area of the rectangle if the side of the square is 60 cm and the length of the rectangle is 80 cm. The perimeter of square is equals to 4 into side of the square. Hence, P means square is equals to 4 into 60 is equals to 240 cm. The perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 into length plus breadth. Hence, perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 into 80 plus breadth. Now, 160 plus 2 into breadth. According to the given question, 160 plus 2 into breadth is equals to 240 cm. 2 into breadth is equals to 240 minus 160 cm. Breadth is equals to 80 upon 2 cm. The breadth of the rectangle comes out 40 cm. Now the area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth is equals to 80 into 40. The answer is 3200 cm square. Question number 3. The breadth and the height of a rectangular solid are 1.20 meter and the 80 cm respectively. If the volume of the cuboid is 1.92 meter cube, find its length. Volume of a rectangular solid is equals to 1.92 meter cube. The breadth of rectangular solid is equals to 1.20 meter. Height of rectangular solid is equals to 80 cm, also 0.8 meter. We know length into breadth into height is equals to volume of a rectangular solid. Cubical length into 1.20 into 0.8 is equals to 1.92. Length into 0.96 is equals to 1.92. Length is equals to 1.92 upon 0.92. Now length equals to 192 upon 96. The answer will be 2 meter. Hope you understand the term mensuration. Like, comment and share this video, and please subscribe our channel for more such videos.